What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to restore your previous session in Google Chrome. So unlike Firefox, there's no specific button or option to click on that just restores your previous session, but there's another way to do it. You can go through history and view your recently closed sites. So let's just say you have a tab open and you accidentally close Chrome and you don't want to close that tab and you want to reopen it again. So let me just do this. Let me just reenact this, for example. So I'm going to type testing in Google, and then this pops up, and this tab is very important to me, but oops, I accidentally closed Google Chrome. So now I'm going to reopen Chrome, and I want to reopen that tab without having to type in any Google search or anything, because what if that was a specific tab? What if it wasn't just a Google search? Well, you can go to the top right up here and then go to history, just hover over it, and then under recently closed is the Google search I just did. So under recently closed, all of your tabs will appear, right? Now that I reopened this, it's not recently closed anymore. But yeah, that's how you restore your session in Google Chrome. It's a bit different, but it's also a quick video today. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.